is her house in... You know what? This girl's weird. I'm just gonna go.
I'm just gonna play my computer. Ooh, I love this game. Oh, that's a pizza man at the door. I heard the pizza man. I'm just gonna play my video game. I don't know.
Hey, ding dong! I'm here, you dummy.
Oh, okay. Kept that closed. Oh god, this is the pizza man.
Who do you think you are? Thinking I'm the freaking pizza man. Who do you think you are?
Oh, sorry. I didn't see you there. Cheryl.
Oh my god, you forgot my name already? It's Rachel, you dummy! It's Rachel! Freaking Rachel! Ugh.
I'm sorry, I'm running away!
No, I'm sorry, okay. Anyway, how you been doing?
I've been doing terrible. How about you?
Well, it took me like 5 years to get here, but you know, that's just great.
I have a private island, you like it? Gotcha. If you literally go into the water and you swim farther than death, you could fall off and die. Watch, someone see?
No, don't kill yourself.
Yes!
Oh my god! What happened? No!
I've got it. No, please. Oh, hi.
Let's just go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Your house isn't creepy, right?
Oh, yeah, it's been haunted for like 17 years. What?
What'd you say? Did you say something?
No, I didn't say anything.
What's in here? Oh my god, why is there a window through the bathroom? How are we gonna... Oh god, this is disgusting.
Oh yeah, they have this little barricader sort of, so you can pee and no one can watch you like a creep.
I'm gonna leave.
I have a private island though, so I never have to deal with that.
This is your backyard. This is nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Want to see?
I'm just gonna explore your house because I'm not a creep, you know?
Okay. Yeah, that's what normal
What the
people
heck
do.
is... Oh, this... Oh, okay, I thought that was... Never mind.
I have this brick above my house.
Why?
Because I can. I'm sorry. That's my library / like lounge room right here.
This is nice. You live a really nice house. How did you get the money to afford this?
I didn't.
Are you telling me you stole this?
I don't
I
know.
mean, it looked abandoned. So.
Yeah, it looked abandoned.
When I came here, I honestly thought it was abandoned.
Yeah, no one ever came here, so whatever.
What the heck are you a stalker? Do you stalk people? What
Yeah.
the heck?
Alright, let me show you what happened here. This person right here, this is my long lost grandma. This is Nixter. Nixter, you see her shirt there? Nixter.
Oh my god, what the heck? Why do you know what? Let's just go to your
This
room.
is this naked girl. 2 naked girls.
What the heck?
Oh, okay, they are naked. They have clothing.
You know what? I'm going to your room.
Fine.
Oh wow.
I don't know where my room is.
I guess this is your room.
This is
Oh,
mine.
and how do you sleep? I cannot. I'm gonna sleep like this. Good night.
Yeah, you sleep standing up.
It's not weird at all. I always hate big closets. They always give me the heebie-jeebies.
The heebie-jeebies?
That reminds me of a song, but it's inappropriate, so I can't sing.
Oh, okay.
You know how I love to sing.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Please stop. Ear breaking.
I'm gonna paint now.
You're gonna paint?
Tell me when you're doing something fun. Don't come watch me paint.
I have this giant animal balloon in my house. You're not creepy. I got the perfect room for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Why?
Come downstairs.
I'm coming downstairs. I'm sorry.
Actually, I want this room. This is more pretty. This is my room. It's smaller and more beautiful.
Alright, where's my room?
We're gonna have the pink room.
I hate pink.
It's too bad. You have to be the princess of the house.
Oh no, I'll take this room.
Which room?
This room.
Which room?
This room.
I can't see out.
You're
I'm
blind.
running into the wall.
Look. Come on.
No, that's my room.
Oh, well, you too then.
You get the upstairs room.
Oh no, I'll take this room. This room is nice.
That room? Oh yeah. I get the very top is for my parents, although they're dead, so yeah.
Oh my god,
I
what
can
the
put
heck?
skeletons in the bed and let them decay.
Get out. I need to sing my senpai song.
Wait, what?
Didn't I say get out? It's my
God,
senpai song.
Fine. Also, I don't have, my parents aren't dead. They're alive.
What? I said get out! I'm sorry. Let's put Truth or Dare. Come on.
Oh, yeah, let's make it like normal girls. Come on,
Alright,
let's go to
no.
the slumber party room.
Alright, where's the slumber party room? All
That's
the way up?
yeah, you have to come here.
I'm coming. Gosh. I want to ask you first. Oh my god, my character is so freaking slow. Alright, so, Truth or Dare?
Dare.
I was really hoping you would pick Truth, but okay. I dare you to do the Bloody Mary challenge.
What's that?
Oh my god, you don't know the Bloody Mary challenge?
I've been protected. I'm very innocent my whole life.
Well, Bloody Mary challenge is where you yell Bloody Mary into the what was it? The bathroom mirror. Go do it. I'm gonna come. Wait for me. I'm not ready.
I'm leaving you.
Ha, I got there first before you. Come on.
No.
Hurry up. It's a dare.
Fine.
Where's the freaking
I just fell off the floor. Alright, bathroom it is.
I'm not looking. I'm fine to hold it.
Okay.
Sit 3 times.
Bloody Harry. Bloody
Oh
Harry.
my god, you dummy.
No, Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
Did I scare you?
No.
Well, that was just in there. Alright. My turn. Let's go back to the...
I didn't say it 3 times because I don't want to die in my sleep. I know you do.
I don't.
Oh.
I worship my senpai. I can't.
Looks like I'll just kill you in your sleep. What?
What?
What do
What do you say?
So I'll kill you! I'm just kidding. I wouldn't kill you. I'd be arrested for murder.
Exactly. So, now ask me... Dummy. Alright, now, you eat my cheese.
Oh, want me to make it a snacks?
No. Ask me.
I'm gonna make a snack.
Alright.
All off here.
My senpai's adorable. I will worship him. Please don't take my senpai away. You are my senpai, my only senpai. I'll stab you in the neck with a knife if you don't love me. Please don't take my senpai away. Did you like my song?
That was terrible. I'm sorry.
No, you're not. I'm sorry. Alrighty. What are you cooking? I'm gonna put this cheese in the oven.
Alright, I took some of the cheese and made a moldy sandwich.
That is disgusting. This actually looks really good. I'm gonna eat this.
Here, take it. Alright, let me go get another one. Let's go back there.
It's actually really good.
Yeah, I know. I know. The num num nums.
Num num num.
I didn't put computer audio, so I don't think anyone can hear it, but whatever.
Okay, well, anyway.
I'll say num 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 for them.
So truth or dare? Please pick truth. Please pick truth. No, please pick dare.
Dare.
No, I want you to pick truth, please.
Truth.
Are you gay?
What?
Are you? It's a simple question. Very, very simple.
No, I'm not gay. Well, actually, you're talking about gay. I like boys, right?
Are you lesbian?
No.
I'm the only one.
I'm sorry. Huggy. No.
Don't jump off the roof. Are you freaking insane? I'm gonna go kill myself.
Don't say that.
Sorry, I'm not. Oh my god, I never saw your background. Backyard. I'm coming.
We can do spooky stories in the backyard.
Oh my god, you wearing carrots? You dummy. Oh my god, I fell.
I'm gonna jump off the roof.
Oh my god, why would you do such a thing?
Because I can't take it anymore.
What? Are you doing suicide?
Oof. I'm still alive.
I'm drowning. Help! Help! I'm drowning.
Push you up. Quickly. Stop.
I'm not dead, you dummy.
I tried to push her butt up, but it was too fat.
I want to play with your slide.
Oh yeah, I love slides. Oh my gosh, I never knew I had so much stuff.
Don't you live here?
This is my first day in the house. I actually have a normal house. I just stole this house from what's her name or his name?
Wait.
Cop 70. I stole their house.
Why would you steal their house, you creep?
I don't know.
How do I know you're the...
How do I know the what?
How do I know you're the real you?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay,
Actually,
well,
no, actually, no.
Anna, I'm just gonna go to bed now. I'm tired.
Okay.
Oh crap! Wait, where's my room's downstairs? Why am I going upstairs?
Ooh, these people are like partying in my house. Where is
No,
it?
this is
These are the previous buyers. Every buyer has to put their picture on this, and I stole it. Therefore, I'm never getting my picture.
I don't really know. Well, I'm going to bed. Have a nice sleep, I guess. Where's Kira? Where's your dog? Where's your dog, Kira?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure she
Died?
Probably.
No, that's sad.
But
I'm totally not going to be worshiping my senpai.
no, I told my dog that she could go for a walk. I think she got lost, but that's I'm just gonna be reading this book in the book room.
I'm going to be reading about my senpai. What?
Actually, what?
What?
Oh, I wouldn't read. Alright, so
And you better not come in my room unexpectedly and scare me.
it's okay, I'm just playing on my computer and I'm talking to my friends who are my friends. I forgot my friends. I'm kidding. This guy, Enderly, and these people, my best friend, talking to him and playing Roblox.
Like your crush! Because you love him, you love him, you love him, love him, love him.
Who?
Oh, what's his name? Enderlink.
No, that's not, no, I like girls.
You are gay!
No, I'm kidding, I lied again. I'm a liar. I'm sorry.
Alrighty, so...
My crush is, my crush, here, what, can I tell you who my crush is?
Yes.
Where the heck are you? Who? Ooh, the bathroom, that'd be creepy. Alright, let me just tell you my crush. Then my crush is a girl with black hair and light skin.
Is it you?
Yes.
You dummy.
It's not very nice.
I don't care. I'm worshiping my cheese.
Worshiping your cheese. I want to worship my senpai.
My senpai's my book. Here, let me show you where my room is.
My senpai is my keys.
You literally passed by my room. It's over here.
Oh my gosh, you did take the pink room.
What?
You did take the pink room. It's okay. I like
Pink
light.
is disgusting. I'm moving.
Yeah,
I'm
but
moving to the bigger room upstairs.
I like light pink. You know, every single girl likes blue now these days. You know what? No one respects pink. Oh, someone.
Who is that?
Who is it? There you go.
Miss Nicole needs me to take her to go grocery shopping. So, how about you guys? I don't know how to take this out. How about you guys just wait here for mommy?
Do you need a drum?
Yes, in case you have to call me.
What can I hold it?
Well, good night. I'm going to my room to sleep.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, and I transferred to rooms. I'm upstairs. Up.
Yeah, also guys, the reason we had to pause the video was because my mom came and my dog was barking and all that. It's kind of got me, so I kind of just paused the video and we had to do some dishes and chores like that. So we're back now. We're gonna continue role playing and yeah.
I'm totally not a stalker. Yeah.
What?
What?
Alright, well it's nighttime. Wait, can I do one more truth or dare?
Fine. Let's go to the
I
cemetery.
have, okay, I'll go to the room. I have to ask you.